Prepare before installation. Ensure all the parts are included in the package. Prepare screw socket and puller tools. Install GNSS antenna. The GNSS antenna needs to be mounted on the vehicle's central axis in horizontal position. Adjust the position of the 4 bases and secure them with their own adhesive backing. Fixed with self-tapping screws to ensure long-term operational stability. Fix the GNSS antenna to the bracket. Connect GNSS and IMU cables. The side with the connector facing the rear of the vehicle. Screw the bracket to the 4 bases. Install electric motor. Remove the original steering wheel with puller or other tools, then install the electric steering wheel. Remove the original steering wheel mounting screws. Remove the original steering wheel with a puller tool. Install the bracket on the steering column. Select the correct sleeve and install it on the motor. Install the bracket on the motor. Don't tighten the screws. Install the electric steering wheel. Tighten the screws of the bracket. Install display terminal. Mount the display terminal in a suitable location, usually on the right-hand side, either on the armrest via a U-bracket or on the pillar. Install gyro angle sensor. The angle sensor can be mounted on either the left or right front wheel. The right front wheel is generally recommended. Remove one of the properly positioned bolt. Place the angle sensor in the proper position in the screw holes and tighten. It is recommended that the angle sensor label be mounted upwards. Connect angle sensor cable. The angle sensor cable needs to be left long enough to avoid damage to the cable caused by steering. Connect battery and cables. Connect the red cable to the positive side of the power supply. Connect the black cable to the negative side of the power supply. Connect angle sensor cable. Connect GNSS antenna port 1. Connect IMU port. Connect the power port. Connect the motor cable. You can choose whether or not to connect the camera and radio antenna according to actual needs. Finish the harness with a roll tape.
好，再给我。
Quick calibration. Press power button to power the display terminal. Before calibration, we need to get fixed solution. Here we connect to cores. Connect Wi-Fi or use SIM card internet. Set up correction source. Click OK to apply the settings. Get fixed solution. Click Settings. Quick calibration. Select single antenna and click Next step. Measure the related value and input here. The height from antenna to the ground. Length from front wheel to rear wheel. Length from antenna center to rear wheel center. Length from rear wheel center to hitch point. Click Next step. Select Control Mode. Normally choose General Control Mode. Select Smart Motor 5. Find a flat 30 meters long ground, keep vehicle stop, and click Start Calibration. Keep the vehicle stop and wait for the system reinitialization. Drive the vehicle in a straight line with a speed of 2 to 3 km per hour. Click Start Auto Steering. the system will take over the steering wheel and mark point A. Keep a speed of 2 to 3 km per hour. System will mark point B in proper location and stop steering. Now drive manually to make a U-turn. Before reaching point B, click Start Auto Steering. The system will take over the steering wheel and drive from point B to point A. IMU calibration is finished. Click Done to save the settings. Implement setting. After the quick calibration is complete, mount the implement to the tractor. Input the implement parameters, then calibrate the handover roll accuracy. Create field. Create an implement. Input implement width. Input overlap or skip value. Input implement left or right offset. Input distance from hitch to ground working point. Input turning radius. Click Implement lateral offset calibration. Drive the vehicle under auto steering mode in the nearby 3 lines. Measure the pass-to-pass distance and input the value here. The system will automatically calculate the offset value and apply it. The offset value will be applied to lateral offset.